Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the best OBS settings for recording. If you want to know the best OBS settings for recording, then this video will guide you throughout the steps. Now first of all, what you could do is here, when you open up the OBS settings, you could go with is the type. Go to output first of all and then go to type. The type should be standard. Recording path is select the folder on your computer where you like to save the recording file. Then the video format might be MP4 or preferred compatible format as well. And similarly for the video encoder, that is 264 or hardware encoder. And the other rate control is CBR. So then for the output settings, you want to visit the file at the top left of the OBS and go to settings. Then in the settings window, you want to navigate to output tab once again, after which you want to select advanced from the output mode drop down menu and choose a desired recording. You could go and set the recording path to specify where you want to save recording videos. Then you want to go ahead and select x64 as the video encoder and bitrate set as 800 kbps or 1080p resolutions. Now set the keyframe interval to a value between 2 and 4 of the most scenario and set the CPU uses persist to the fastest. Then you could go to the output settings and click on advanced and go to audio as well, after which you could go with the video as well and make changes there as well. You could go with 1080p resolutions and all that, and here you want to go with this audio, and for the audio sample you want 44.1 key is set. These are some of the best OBS settings for recording. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.